Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to my ENL classroom. My name is Mr. Weisenburger, or Mr. W. It's good to see you. So, hello, hola, bonjour, mingalaba, assalamu alaikum, jambo-san. It's good to see you again. Now, today we will complete 4 activities. The first thing we will do is sing songs. Next, we will read a story. After that, we will write sentences about our story, animal groups. And last, we will make a new craft. It should be a lot of fun. Our letter today is E. E has 2 sounds like elephant or eagle. But also, we will talk about the letter Y. You'll see. Are you ready to get started? Let's sing our songs. Our first song will be A-E-I-O-U, our vowel song. A-E-I-O-U.
And sometimes Y.
A-E-I-O-U.
And sometimes Y.
Did you hear something? I did too. Let's sing again. A-E-I-O-U.
And sometimes Y.
A-E-I-O-U.
And sometimes Y.
I think I heard someone say, and sometimes Y. I think that's true. Did you say that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Cat.
You're welcome.
Let's put those words in there. Ready? A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. You did a great job. That's true. Sometimes Y can make vowel sounds, like the sounds in I or E. Now, the Y in the words my and Y sounds like I ice cream. The Y in happy and sunny sounds like E. Now, like eagle. Yeah, you're right. You remembered that. That's good. So, there have to be rules on when to use Y and what they sound like. So, Rule 1. Y is a vowel rule. If a word ends in Y and has 1 syllable, it sounds like I. There's 4 words we have as examples. My, Y, sky, and fly. Let's do those with syllables. My, Y, sky, fly. Let's do that again. My, Y, sky, fly. 1 syllable for each of those words. So the Y makes an I sound. Now, Y as a vowel rule again. If the word ends in Y and has 2 syllables, it sounds like E, eagle. Huh. The words happy, sunny, silly, and funny all have Y at the end that sounds like E. Let's clap those. Happy, sunny, silly, funny. Let's do that again. Happy, sunny, silly, funny. You're funny too.
Mm-hmm.
Being funny is fun though. I like to be funny. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we'll see you in just a little bit. Hello, boys and girls. Like we said before, we're looking at the letter E today, and letter E has 2 sounds. There is short E that says elephant. Try that with me. Elephant. Good job. And the other sound is a long E sound, like eagle. Can you try that with me? Eagle. This is our T chart right here. And we're going to put the words that have a short E sound of elephant here, and our words that have a long E sound in them, like eagle, in this part right here. We're also going to count the sounds and make the sounds in these words. So let's start with this word right here. This word. This word is me. Me. Let's make the sounds in me. E. Me. Two sounds. E. Me. Can you use your hand just like me? Ready? Do it with your hand. E. Me. We know that second sound is a long E sound, so it goes over here by eagle. It has the E sound in the end. Let's look at another word. Let's look at this word. End. Let's make the sounds. Ready? End. End. Use your hands. Ready? End. End. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds in end. That first sound is elephant. Look at that. End is just like elephant. Short E. Let's look at another word. Let's look at this word. Wet. Wet. Let's make the sounds in wet. Wet. Use your hands. T. 3 sounds. Wet. Wet. Did you hear a long E or a short E? You're right. I heard a short E too. Right in the middle. Like elephant. Fantastic. Let's look at this word. Ooh, this is different. Each. All right. Let's make the sounds in each. Each. How many sounds? Just 2. Each. What's the first sound? You're right. The first sound is E, like long E. Each goes right here. Let's look at another word. How about this one? Eat. All right, let's make the sounds. Eat. Use your hands. Eat. Did you hear it? It was a long E. Eat, just like eagle. Eat. Okay, and look, in this word each and in this word eat, the EA can make an E sound in some words. Interesting. Okay, let's move on. Let's try this word right here. Then. Let's make the sounds in then. Then. How many sounds? 3 sounds. That middle sound. I hear it. Do you hear it? Short E. Then. How about this word? When. Like our song. Who, what, where, when, and why. This is when. Let's make the sounds in when. When. Again. When. 3 sounds. I heard it too, right here in the middle. When. When is a short E sound. Very good. Let's look at another one. Get. Let's make the sounds in the word get. G. T. Get. 3 sounds. Are you ready? Did you hear it? G, at. There it is. Short E. Let's look at this one. Weep. Weep. Oh, to weep means to cry. Weep. Let's make the sounds. W, E, P, W, E, P. Weep. 3 sounds. Weep. Do you hear it in the middle? E, a long E sound. Weep. Let's try this one. Pet. Pet. All right, let's make the sounds in pet. P, E, T. Pet. Do it with your hands. P, E, T. Pet. What sound did you hear? I did hear a short E sound in the middle. Pet. It has that short E sound in the middle of the word. Pet. Let's try this one. Deep. Deep. The water is deep in the ocean. That means it goes very far down. Deep. D. E. P. Deep. How many sounds? You're right, 3. D. E. P. E. Long E right in the middle. There we go. Then we have this word. Next. Next. Let's make the sounds in next. N, a, x, t. Let's do that again. N, a, x, t. Next. Ooh, 4 sounds in this word. Did you hear this sound right here? N, a, x, t. Ah. Short E right up here. There we go. How about this word? Enter. Enter. Enter means to come into something. You enter your house. You go through the door to enter your house. Or we enter school. Here we go. Enter. N, t, er. Enter. Try it again. N, t, er. Enter. You heard it right here in the beginning? Enter. Yes, short E. You're right. Now we go to this word. Leap. Leap. Leap means to jump. To leap is to jump. Leap. Let's make the sounds. L, E, P. Leap. Leap. 3 sounds. L, E, P. Leap. And that E sounds right here, the second sound. L, E. There it is, a long E. You're right. You're fast. This is good. Let's try this word. Oh, power word. This is he. He. When you're talking about a boy, you say he. Let's make the sounds. E, he. 2 sounds. E, he. Second sound is E. Long E. Good job. Let's look at this word. Oh, another power word. She. She. When you're talking about a girl, you can say she. Let's make the sounds. Sh, E, she. How many sounds? You're right, there's 2 sounds. She. She has a long E sound at the end. It goes right here. She. Let's look at this word. Pen. Pen. You can write with a pen. Let's do the sounds. P, E, N. Pen. Pen. 3 sounds. You're right. I hear the short E sound in the middle of pen. P, E, N. Right there. Good job. Let's look at this word. Text. Text. Oh, let's make the sounds in text. T, E, X, T. I hope you're using your hands. T-X. Text. Text. You're right. It's that second sound is a short E sound. Text. Let's try this word. Keep. Keep. When someone gives you something like a present, you keep it. Keep. Ready? K-E-P. Keep. Did you hear it in the middle? Long E. K-E-P. Keep. Long E. Oh, another power word. Be. Be. I like to be happy. Let's make the sounds. B. E. B. How many sounds? You're right. 2 sounds. E is right here. B. Long E. And our last one, another power word. Can you read it? We. I think you read it first. We. Ready? W. E. We. 2 sounds. That second sound is E. W. E. Long E like eagle. Awesome. Ready? I'm going to read them all one more time. End. Wet. Then. When. Get. Pet. Next. Enter. Pen. Text. Let's do the long E sounds, words. Me. Each. Eat. Weep. Deep. Leap. He. She. Keep. Be. We. Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you later, okay? Welcome back. This is the part of our lesson where we do some reading and writing, and we're looking at part of our story, animal groups. One of the animal groups is fish. And in this picture, we have a fish, and these are called labels. Labels are words that point to parts of a picture, so you know what they are. So this says fin, and it points to a fin. This says eye, it points to an eye. This says mouth, it points to a mouth. This says gill, and it points to his gill. This says fin, points to a fin. Let's read. Fish must live in water. Fish have gills that help them breathe in water. That's very special. We can't breathe in water. Fish are a special animal group, so gills make them very special. Now, sometimes we like to play guessing games, and we're going to play a game called Riddles. And with riddles, you describe something with words like our labels here, and someone has to guess what you are talking about. And you usually start with the word I. So I could say, I have gills. What am I? And the answer would be, I am a fish. So it's kind of a riddle. Let's look at reptiles. Here's the picture, and here are labels. This label says scales. Scales. And scales are on the skin. This is a picture, a really close picture of the alligator's skin. He has scales. He has a tail. He has legs. He has an eye. What makes him special? You're right. He's one of the animal groups that has scales. So reptiles have scales. Let's read. Reptiles can live on land. Some like to be in water. Reptiles have scales on their skin. So we could write a riddle. We could say, I have scales. What am I? And you could say, I am a reptile. Very good. So that's what we would write. Birds are one of the animal groups. Let's look at the labels. This label says eye, bill, wing, feathers. Wow, let's read. A bird has feathers and wings. This bird's eyes are on the sides of its face. What makes a bird special? Well, many groups have eyes. A bill is special. A wing is very special. Feathers are very special. I didn't see another animal group with feathers. That's very special. So if we wrote a riddle, if we were trying to have someone guess, we could say, I have feathers. What am I? I am a bird. Very good. Let's move on. Let's look at mammals. Mammals are another animal group. Let's look at the labels. Eye, hair, tail, legs. The hair is special. Let's read. Mammals can be many shapes and sizes. They have hair on their skin. That is special. They have hair. That's true. Is there anything else? Let's read this. A mammal mom can make milk for its baby. Wow, that's special. I don't think any other animal groups can make milk for their baby. So if we wrote a riddle for someone, we could say, I make milk for my babies. What am I? And you would guess, a mammal. Yes, I am a mammal. That's great. And we know that we are mammals too. We have 5 animal groups: fish, amphibian, reptile, bird, and mammal. All of those different groups. And we wrote some riddles for them. Now we'll do a craft and we'll write some riddles on the craft. Thanks. Hello, boys and girls. Today's craft will be a fortune teller. So we begin with a piece of paper, a pencil, and some scissors. That's all we need. Are you ready? A piece of paper is a rectangle. We need to change it into a square. So we will bring this corner up like this. And make a fold like this. Now we have a paper that looks like this with this extra part on the bottom. We're going to put the paper like this in front of us and fold this up to the edge here like this. So it looks like this. We're going to unfold it now. And we see we have a straight line. Let's make a pencil mark on that line. So we take our pencil. Okay. And we're going to follow this line. And then we have to cut that line. So we get our scissors out. We're going to cut this line. And there we go. Now, we need to turn the paper this way, we're going to fold this corner to this corner. I'm going to try to line up the paper as best as we can. And then we open it. Now, we fold each part here into the middle, like this. You see that? And we turn the paper, and we do it again. And we turn the paper, and we do it again. And again. Okay. Now we turn it over. Ready? So we have these triangles here. We turn it over, and we do that same step again. We take a corner, and we bring it into the middle. And we fold. And we turn, bring a corner into the middle, and we fold. And we take the corner, we bring it to the middle, and fold. You see? So we have one side that looks like squares, and one side that looks like triangles. Now, we are going to write some sentences in here for our fortune teller. So, we learned about riddles. We're going to write a riddle here. Right here at the top, I'm going to write, I have gills. Do you remember which animal group has gills? I have gills. And then the question, what am I? And it's a question, needs a question mark. So right here it says, I have gills. What am I? What animal group had gills? You're right. It was the fish. Fish have gills to breathe in the water. So we're going to put the answer underneath here. We're going to open this up, and we're going to write, I am a fish. And that's a statement. It gets a period. I am a fish. That's the answer to the question. I have gills. What am I? I am a fish. Now, let's make the fortune teller work. Are you ready? So, with the side with the triangles, we're going to fold it over one time like this. Okay? Did you see that? Side with the triangles, fold it over once, right? Now you see, if you hold it up, there are these flaps here like this, right? The top and the bottom. That's where your fingers and your thumbs go. Okay? In these flaps, these squares. So I'm going to take my thumb and finger and put it in this one like this and turn it up like this. And then I have to find the other thumb and finger place underneath here. And now, look, a fortune teller. And with my finger and thumb in there like this, do you see? I can open and close it like this. Open, close, and then go left and right, and it opens. Well, up and down, left and right, up and down, left and right. Now if I look in here, I have my question. I am a fish. Oh, what? I have gills. What am I? And I can open it up and see I am a fish. So you can ask questions to your mother or your father or your brother or sister. And there you go. So we can just open it up again like this and write our next question. Let's do another riddle. I make milk for my babies. Period. Now we have to ask a question. We ask, what am I? What am I? Question mark. I make milk for my babies. What am I? Now we can write the answer in here. Do you remember? You're part of that animal group. You are a mammal. You can write then, I am a mammal. What do we need at the end of the sentence? A period. A period. We start with a capital I. I am a mammal. We can close this up. Remember how we do this? We have the triangle side up, fold over once, and then we see these places where we can stick our fingers and thumbs. I'm going to put my finger and thumb in this side, turn it over, thumb in this side, and then I have my fortune teller again, and I can go like this, and like this, and like this, like this. There we go. There's your questions. When you want your answer, you open it up like this. Whoop, there's your answer. Your fortune teller. Good job. Have fun.